What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. We're back here at Preston's house again, and today we're going to be working on my truck, and unfortunately it's raining, so there's your daily forecast. And today we're going to be doing some more lighting on the truck from our good buddies over at Adrenaline Offroad. They sent us something, so let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what it is. So like I said, we got a new package from Adrenaline Offroad. They're a big supporter of the channel, so shout out to Adrenaline Offroad. Don't forget to use promo code NEVERSATISFIED24V for $20 off. I believe it's rock lights, wheel lights, and also now these LED strip tailgate light bars. So I'm gonna get to unboxing it. We'll talk a little bit about it, and we'll get it installed on the truck. So it comes with the clips, which we already got the clips installed, which I'll throw that clip in here in a minute after we get this all unraveled and I talk about it. But we already got the clips installed, so I'll jump to a clip of that in a minute ago, like I said. But it comes with all the clips you need, and then it comes with the LED strip light bar here. So this is a 60-inch LED tailgate light bar. It works as a brake light, reverse light, turn signals, hazard signals, all that stuff. It comes with 3M tape on the back and also the clips. So you can either use the clips to install it or the 3M tape. I'm going to use the clips and the 3M tape just to make sure it adheres really well to the truck. It doesn't come off. Alright guys, so we got Preston here being our model, holding it for us. Get a little up close of it. You can see like the arrows in it. It's a lot better than like your basic standard one, which like I'll show you here. Here's my old one right here. The old aluminum body. It ended up rusting out and it started to fade, and this little rubber piece really didn't look good. As you can see, it's just pretty damaged. But anyways, this new one has these awesome arrows on it. These ones are facing this way, obviously, and the other ones are facing the other way. Obviously, you can see the split here in the middle. If I can find, there you go, right there. So this is a 60-inch LED strip tailgate light bar, brake light and turn signal, white LED reverse function on it. So as you can see here, it's got the 4-pin trailer harness along with the reverse light here, which will wire to the reverse light. It's got a 3.2-foot lead on it for the wire here. It's got 450 LED chips. It's got a blacked out protective casing on it, as you can see all the way around here. It's all blacked out, protective casing. So this is 100% waterproof. It's a 5 to 10 minute install, a 2-year full warranty, and a 30-day money back guarantee. So in my opinion, it looks a lot better than the old one out of my truck. I really like these arrow functions on it. I think it looks really clean, and I think it looks really good on the truck. So we're gonna get the tailgate off here real quick, and then I'll jump to a clip of the clip install. We'll wire it up, get the tailgate back on, and show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in the truck and show you how the current light bar works now, and then we'll do a comparison from this one to the new one. All right, so to get this one out, it's pretty simple. You just pull on it. It's got little clips in it that hold it in. So you start on one side and just pull it right out. This one did come with 3M tape on the back as well. I just never ended up using it because it has the little metal tabs, which we'll show you on the new one, that just hold it in place. And then it's just plugged into the trailer brakes here. Just a little 4-prong tab, and there's a wire running into the tail light for the reverse light, which drop the tailgate, take the tail light out, and pull that wire out, and then we'll get the new one installed. So here's that tab I was talking about that the light bar sits into. There's just 4 of them, one right here, one there, there, and there, and it just clicks right in there and holds it in place. Like I said, it does have that 3M tape on it. I just decided not to use it because those tabs hold it in place perfectly fine. So I checked to see if I could use the old tabs for the new light bar, but they are a little bit different. So here's an old one. Probably won't focus very well, but the new one's slightly different. So we're just gonna use the same holes and just install the new ones. Take the old ones out, install the new ones. So we just got all the new tabs installed, as you can see. So I opted to only use 4 of the little tabs it comes with, because that's what I used on my last one. So we'll see if that's going to be enough to hold this one in place. We're going to do a test fit. So because of this little bump out right here on the back of the truck bed, we're gonna have to use the 3M tape because it sits like a 1/8 of an inch out past the rest of the bed, and it's like that on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and take the tape off, get it where you want it, and then tape it into place. Like you guys just saw, we just did a test before we got it installed. So I always want to make sure you test your lights out before you completely install them on a truck. In case there's a problem, you can get it worked out before you wire everything up and get it all hooked up. Alright, so like I said before, this is a 4-prong trailer hookup, so that'll just plug into your trailer. And the white wire here, we're going to take out the left brake light and wire into the reverse light in here, that way we got power. So we got press and pull on the tail light right now, so we can get that reverse light all wired up. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab some cleaner and get this area cleaned up, because like I said before, we put these clips in a couple days ago, so I'm going to clean this area up, and then we'll get the 3M tape removed off the back of the light bar and get it installed. Whoa!
I fucking hate these.
Yeah, I don't like them either. So as you can see, Preston's got the reverse light all wired up, and he used the heat shrink butt connector to do so. That way it's all waterproof tight. And now he's gonna get the tail light back in, and we'll go ahead and get the light bar all lined up, peel back the 3M tape, and get it installed. And one thing I gotta say is, one thing I'm not a fan of on these Dodges is the headlights and the taillights both have these like screw studs in them, and when they get stuck, man, you feel like you're just gonna break them. It's not a good feeling. I mean, they just sound aggressive. But I will say, these Amazon taillights, definitely a fan of them. Zero problems. No water or moisture has gotten into them yet, and I have washed them plenty of times. And yes, my back of my truck is disgusting. You got like, this is from when we did the OD case and all that trans fluid and stuff. We got some stuff here from the beginning of the winter for the diesel treatment. Got the old tires. Yeah, they're pretty bald, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet. This has been here since summertime when I put the new setup on. Got the old light bar in here. Some stuff for the trans fluid. Looks like some coolant right there. Oh, hey, Coors Light. Drink responsibly. And that's what you don't want to happen. So now that we got it on the truck, we got the reverse light wired. I went ahead and ran the wire down here for the 4-pin trailer hookup. I'm gonna go ahead and get all cleaned up, and then we'll put this 4-prong adapter on it. And I do have a new receiver hookup here, like I'll show you on Preston's truck, like we did a while back on the channel. I don't know if you remember that, or if you're new to the channel, you obviously might not have seen that video. But Preston's got a nice little setup right here. So you got your 7-prong hookup right here, if you can see that, and then you also have your 4-prong hookup right here. So you got 7 and 4, which is nice. I got that same hookup. It's sitting up there on the shelf somewhere, all my other parts, which we'll get on here in the future. But for now, we're gonna use this little tiny 4 to 7-pin adapter and get it all hooked up, put the tailgate back on, and test it out. One thing I wanted to say was I also have these stickers for sale. This one says hashtag never satisfied. And then also I got my logo sticker here on Preston's truck right there. If you guys want one, shoot me a DM on Instagram. These ones are $8. These ones are $6. I also got another one that just says never satisfied with the hashtag on it. So if you want one, message me on Instagram. Link down below. They are not free. I've got a lot of messages about how can I get a free sticker. Unfortunately, they're not free. Maybe I'll do like a free giveaway for a couple here in the future. But if you want to buy one, DM me on Instagram. There'll be a link down below. So we've got the new LED tailgate light installed. As you saw, it all works. All the functions work perfectly. Pretty easy install. Definitely a 5 to 10 minute install. Nothing complex, nothing hard. Super simple. Huge shout out to Adrenaline Offroad. I'll put their Instagram up here on the screen. Their Instagram and their website down below in the description as well. Don't forget to use promo code NEVERSATISFIED24V to save $20 off wheel lights, rock lights, and also LED strips. Since we love all you guys and we appreciate all the support, we're going to be giving back to you. You can get entered to win a free one of these for yourself, the 6-inch LED tailgate light, not the truck obviously. But all you have to do is follow me and follow Adrenaline Offroad on Instagram and tag 3 friends. The first link down below will be the Instagram giveaway, so all the information will be on there to figure out exactly how to get entered, but it'll be something like that, super simple. But shout out to Preston for helping out on this very hard install today. Make sure to give him a follow on Instagram and follow me too. Check out Adrenaline Offroad. Use promo code NEVERSATISFIED24V to save $20 off rock lights, wheel lights, and the LED strip light as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below, hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.